Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Kittl for mock design. So I'm going to give you a step-to-step guide on how to use Kittl for mock design. So on step 1, you have to visit the Kittl website, then click on the sign up button to fill in your details to create an account, then verify your email address and activate your account. So on step 2, you have to set up your project to log in to your Kittl account, then click on create new project and choose the type of design you want to create, so which is the mock design. Then enter the name for your project and click create. Then on the step 3, you have to navigate to the template section and search for mock template, then select the mock template that suits your style, then click use template, then customize template by adding your own text, image and graphics. Then on the step 4, use the drag and drop editors to arrange your element on your mock design, then add text by clicking on the text tools and choose a font, then upload your image or choose your Kittl's library of graphics and illustration, then adjust color, size and position of elements to create a unique design. Then on the step 5, click on the preview button to see how your design will look on a mock, then make any necessary adjustment to ensure your design looks perfect. Then on step 6, once you are satisfied with your design, click on the save button, then export your design in the desired format, which is in JPEG or PNG for printing. That's it.